Hello friends, this is David with David's Yacht Service in Southern California. Here today looking at a freshly rebuilt Atomic 4 with a reduction drive on the back end. And this is frankly one of the most beautiful ones I have done. Done a lot of different color schemes, but this scheme of champagne bronze and night black is really very attractive. And we've got her already on the test rig here. She's gonna get fired up here in a minute, and then we'll dial in the tuning on her so she's running perfectly, and then she'll be ready for the owner to pick her up, looking a whole lot better than when she dropped her off. Anyway, it's going to go into a 32-foot sailboat. That's the reason we have this little reduction drive on the back, kind of like an extra low gear. It's a 2-to-1 reduction. And also something you may notice on here, that it comes equipped with some outriggers, or whatever you want to call their extensions, because the framing on the boat is wider than the supports on the Atomic 4. So they had to add in some little framing. It's kind of like what Ericsson does when they do an overhang on the side of the boat inside rather than the center of the boat. Anyway, I wanted to introduce this one to you. Been completely through her, and she's ready to go now. Well, here I am back again. We're going to start her up and let you hear her run. See if we can do that live with my hookup here. First I got to hook up the ignition switch so we got power, and then we got to push the starter. All ready? See what happens. Well, that was pretty easy. Pretty easy for sure. Alright, well, we got the other videos coming right behind me, so take care. Have a good day. Well, like I promised you, here she is. Just idling along, running really smooth. Very nice running engine. And you may notice here as we walk by, she's got some outriggers on her down there at the bottom, because the boat she goes in has a little bit wider frame spacing, so she's got one of these outriggers on both sides, kind of like Ericsson does in the 35. Anyway, here you can see the output shaft just kind of spinning there. It's in neutral, but it's just going along for the ride. And what I normally do here on this muffler, yeah, you can feel that it's just really smooth and doing great. Also warm, only slightly, just warm to the touch. I'll come back around here the other way, let you see the other side of her. And like that sound, it's just a real smooth running motor. And I'll be calling up the owner and let her know that it's ready to go home. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye now. Something I forgot while we're watching. Normally I do a little rev up and didn't let you have the benefit, so here it is. Revs up real easy, and also on my muffler stack here, let you see that, it's real smooth. Alrighty, well, that'll take care of us for now. Have a good day.